welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. We have a great video to show you guys today, one that I'm really excited for, and I got really nostalgic just as I was making this video. The Gameboy Emulator, something that I haven't talked about on my channel or I haven't dove into, but just something that I wanted to share with you guys. Just a really quick and simple download tutorial that I wanted to just express and share with you guys. This the Gameboy Emulator has brought back so many memories, especially when I was growing up and being able to get the Game Boy and getting Pokemon and Super Mario and just being able to play on the go. It was such a revolutionary device, and just honestly, it just was so crazy that you could play games on the go. But I'm going to show you guys real quick. If you navigate through Tweakbox, I'm going to leave their link in the description down below, and go into their Tweakbox apps. You can download Gearboy. Gearboy is again an emulator that will emulate Game Boy games for you for free. No jailbreak needed. You can run this on the latest iOS version, and it runs perfectly. No frame skips, no lagging at all. This runs perfectly on any device. Now, to get games, after especially you've downloaded the actual emulator, if you need to get any games, make sure that you navigate over to Safari and type in GB ROMs under Google search, and you can find pretty much any website that has Game Boy ROMs for free. I personally use ROM Mania. They've been great. I haven't had any sort of viruses or issues with their website, so I recommend them, and I really do trust them as well. So once you navigate to the ROM of your choosing, make sure that you do click the download button, that green download button, and wait for your ROM to download, and you'll be able to see the progress bar on the very top. You'll notice like a blue bar sliding across showing your progress at that time. But I can't get over just the nostalgia feeling that I have for this emulator. Just being able to get the Game Boy when I was so young, and being able to pop in 4 AA batteries and save my games, and being able to put my games in the little plastic cartridges that you got whenever you bought a new game, and being able to cable link with people and friends when we were going on field trips and trading Pokemon and duplicating Pokemon. It was just one of the most surreal things, and it was a huge wave of tech that just came from that. But as you can see here, once your game is officially downloaded, you can open up in Gearboy, and then from there you can your game will actually start from there, and it will save that game on your device, and will be able to play with a library as you get more and more ROMs. But as you can see here, the game runs perfectly. There's no issues, no frame skips. Everything runs perfectly, and it brings you back to the 90s when times were just so much simpler. Things were, as a kid, you were playing this and hanging out with friends, and it was the best of times, I honestly believe. And it brings back all those old feelings and all those old memories of being able to play Pokemon or Super Mario or playing old school Mega Man on the go. But I hope you guys did like this tutorial as I'm ranting and as I'm being so nostalgic right now. I hope you guys did like this tutorial. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos on all things Apple Plus. This is a real quick, simple tutorial, and I hope you guys love this one. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
That means you're extra, extraordinary.